Joshua 1 verse 8. Keep this book of the law always on your lips. Meditate on it day and night, so that you may be careful to do everything written in it. Then you will be prosperous and successful. Meditation is a practice used in the art of mindfulness and becoming one with yourself. It is a great way to relieve stress, anxiety, and other mental and emotional chains that may be holding you down in life. Due to ignorance, many believe that this practice is solely based on the premise of religion. Nevertheless, by watching this video today, you'll be relieved to know that meditation is for all, especially for those who tend to be forgetful or suffering from depression and anxiety. Ajahn Brahm once said that, and I quote, "Meditation is like a gym in which you develop the powerful mental muscles of calm and insight." I know, you guys want to know how to go about meditating. Don't worry, I got you. 1. Find a space. 2. Set a time. 3. Get comfy, throw a blanket on, put your back against the wall, find your comfort zone. 4. Close your eyes and breathe. Nice, deep, regular breaths. This will help you relax. Don't think too hard. Don't let your mind control you. Remember, you are in control. 5. Focus and observe. Detach the mind from multiple thoughts and find focus on one thing only. This is it, guys, the final step, meditating. Make meditation become a part of your other routines. That's right, it's not a one-time thing. Remember, it's like a gym. The more you do it, the better you become at it. Meditation is natural and harmless, and all it requires is just some of your time. Remember, meditation and concentration are the way to a life of serenity. Baba Ram Das.